Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 11, the present continuous tense. So student, till now we have already discussed this picture and we have done this exercise also. Okay, and we have learned that how we'll be using ing before the verbs and with the verbs and with e and ing. Okay, like this. What we have learned in this. In the singular one, in the plural one, and in the singular pronoun, that is I. So now we'll be doing this exercise, that is circle the options in the sentences. So we have to circle the correct answer in the sentences. So let's begin with it. First is I dash visiting grandfather in the afternoon. So I am visiting grandfather in the afternoon. Then the second one, they dash swimming in the pool. So they are swimming in the pool. Third one, Shiraz that talking on the phone right now. So Shiraz is talking on the phone right now. Then fourth one, Amit dash doing his homework now. Amit is doing his homework now. Okay students. So here is another one. That is fifth one. My brother dash working on the medical project. So my brother is working on the medical project. Okay. Then sixth one. My mother and I dash cycling to the store now. So my mother and I are cycling to the store now. Then there is another one. Another exercise. So in this also we have to find out the present continuous form of the verbs. So fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. So we have to fill the present continuous form of the verbs in the bracket. So first one is she dash for the final race. So she is practicing for the final race. So we'll be writing here she is practicing for the final race. Okay students, so the next one is Ram dash some lunch for the children. So Ram is bringing bring is written here, so we'll be converting it with the present continuous form, that becomes bringing, and we'll be writing Ram is bringing some lunch for the children. So here is another one. Third, the children dash a kite on the terrace. So the children are flying a kite on the terrace. Then the fourth one, they dash to Europe. So they, that means we are using they, that is plural one. So they are traveling, travelling, traveling to Europe. Now fifth one, Meera dash hard to become a lawyer. So Meera is studying, that means it's just talking about the singular one. So we'll be writing here is studying, studying, studying hard to become a lawyer. So here is the last one. Sixth one, we dash on the road trip to Leh. So we are going on the road trip to Leh. Okay students, so this is how we have to do both the exercises. Now here is another one. Complete the story using M is, are, and the ing form of the verb. So in this we have to complete the exercise by using ing verbs in the following exercise. So let's begin with it. The first one, oh look, the thief dash the woman's purse. So stealing is stealing. Stealing the woman's purse. Steal is given here, so we will be converting it with the present continuous. That is, stealing is stealing the woman's purse. He dash it from her hand and dash. So we will be writing he is snatching. Is snatching. H-I-N-G. He is snatching it from her hand and she is screaming. Is screaming. Screaming. Okay, students? So we'll be writing screaming over here. Then another one. The people dash towards her. So the people are running. So rush is written over here. We'll be writing running because we have to change it from present continuous form. So we'll be writing are running. Are running. Running towards her. Then they dash stop thief. The thief dash for a way to escape. Then they are shouting. They are shouting. They are shouting, stop thief. The thief is looking for a way to escape. Is looking for a way to escape. Then there is none. The people dash after him. So the people are running after him. Are running after him. Okay, students. So then here's another one. They dash to the police station. The lady dash them. So they are going to the police station. The lady is thanking. Is thanking them. Okay, students. So this is how we have to do these exercises. I hope, students, you have